Hello and welcome to this Christmas lesson. After you have finished this lesson, you should be able to name a few Christmas decorations. You should also be able to recall a few Christmas phrases. In this lesson, we will revise some vocabulary and phrases from the Christmas in Afrikaans 2017 lesson. You can find the link to the 2017 lesson in the description. Hersiening, revision. We won't have a word list in this lesson, but instead we'll revise some phrases from the Christmas in Afrikaans 2017 lesson. Geseënde Kersfees. Geseënde Kersfees. Merry Christmas. Voorspoedige nuwe jaar. Voorspoedige nuwe jaar. Happy New Year. Note that there were some mistakes on this slide in the 2017 lesson. I've fixed them here. Can you spot the mistakes? Versierings, decorations. Engel, engel, angel. Liggies, liggies, lights. When you say liggies, you are referring to small lights. If you say ligte, you are referring to big lights. Liggies and ligte are both plural. Klokkies, klokkies, bells. Klokkies work the same way as liggies. When you say klokkies, you are referring to small bells. If you say klokke, you are referring to big bells. Klokkies and klokke are both plural. Kers, kers, candle. Ster, ster, star. Kersfeeskous, Kersfeeskous. Christmas stocking. Ander, other. Nagereg, nagereg. Dessert. Nagereg can also be called pudding, but pudding in Afrikaans will be spelled P-O-E-D-I-N-G. I'll spell it in Afrikaans as well, just for fun. P-O-E-D-I-N-G, pudding. Rendier, rendier. Reindeer. Slee, slee. Sleigh. Skoorsteen, skoorsteen. Chimney. For this activity, you need to find the Afrikaans name of the picture that can be found in each sentence. It's very similar to the activity in last year's Christmas lesson. Hier is jou die blink. Dit is 'n oulike. Die is lekker. Dankie vir my mooi. Die is pragtig. Antwoorde, answers. Hier is jou geskenk. Here is your gift. Die ster blink. The star shines. Dit is 'n oulike sneeuman. It is a cute snowman. Die nagereg is lekker. The dessert is delicious. Dankie vir my mooi geskenk. Thank you for my beautiful gift. Die kersboom is pragtig. The Christmas tree is beautiful. Dankie dat julle gekyk het. Geseënde Kersfees en 'n voorspoedige nuwe jaar.